Hello everyone, and welcome to Foxtecc. Today I'm going to show you how to create a video out of photos on your iPad. Whether you want to create a slideshow for a special occasion or compile your favorite memories into a single video, I'll guide you through the steps. Let's get started. First, if you have a lot of photos on your iPad, you might want to check the Memories section in the Photos app. The iPad sometimes automatically creates memory videos for you. These can be a good starting point, but they might not always meet your specific needs. It's worth taking a look, though, to see if any of these pre-made memories are useful. If you want more control over your video, you'll need a third-party app. The App Store offers many options for video editing. For personal recommendations, I would suggest downloading CapCut. While it's not the easiest app to master, spending a few days with it will allow you to get comfortable with its features. You don't need to learn everything about it, just enough to get your project done. CapCut offers robust editing tools that let you create impressive videos. Another option is iMovie, which is also free and quite user-friendly. However, it's more basic compared to CapCut. If you're looking for more effects and customization, CapCut is the better choice. For more advanced editing, LumaFusion is a fantastic option, but it comes with a one-time purchase fee and offers professional-level features, which you might not need for a simple photo video. Once you've decided on the app, download CapCut from the App Store and open it. You'll need to grant the app access to your photo gallery. This is essential for importing your photos into the editing timeline. Start by importing all the photos you want to include in your video. In CapCut, you can easily select multiple photos and add them to your project. Once the photos are in the timeline, you can begin editing. You have the ability to resize, reorganize, and adjust the duration each photo appears in the video. This allows you to control the flow and pace of your video. To make your video more engaging, consider adding transitions between photos. CapCut offers a variety of transitions you can experiment with. Additionally, you can add effects like zooming in or out on specific photos to add a dynamic touch. Play around with these features to see what works best for your video. Remember, the key steps are importing your photos, arranging them on the timeline, and applying any desired effects or transitions. CapCut provides the tools you need to create a polished and professional-looking video from your photos. That's all for today's video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful for creating videos from your photos on the iPad. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Foxtecc for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.